it's Larry Piotter's Auto Body and Spa. Today, we're here with another unusual project. Today, we're going to be shooting this entire front end loader gloss black. Give it a new look, new stance. We're going to be doing a couple steps. We're going to get a full detail on it before we bring it up to our truck shop. So stay tuned.
So this front loader is in to get painted. So you guys are gonna see us using brushes on this thing. Don't freak out, you know, it's detail I'm streaming inside, but we gotta get this thing as clean as possible before they actually go and bring it into the body shop to get repainted. This thing's actually getting painted fully black, even though it's yellow. But what we're gonna do first is instead of spraying on deep prep, we're gonna actually go to use it in a foam can since this thing is so big. And you guys are probably gonna see tons of bleeding on this thing. We wanna get this thing as clean as possible. After we're done doing the deep prep, we're gonna go in with the orange degreaser to further degrease it, and then we're gonna go wash it with the brushes. And like I said, don't be scared, it's gotta get done. So we're actually going to be foaming on 3D's orange degreaser. As you guys know, it's one of my favorite products that we sell at the store. You pretty much use it for almost anything, but this is going to go and start removing some of the heavy buildup, the grease, the grime, anything that's built up on here, because at the end of the day, we want to get this thing as clean as possible before we start actually going into, because they're going to be repainting the thing. So the cleaner you can get it, the better. And if you want to get a good paint job, you got to get the thing as clean as possible. So I'm going to go around with a little small bottle here just to kind of get the tight areas, and then later on, we're going to have Alan over here spraying the car down, the front loader down, with a foam can full of orange degreaser, and it's going to smell like wonderful oranges. So here we go. Guys, so the degreaser, iron remover, and the wash, everything's all done on this thing. We have to get this thing as clean as possible before we're now gonna go and paint the whole thing. So this thing is getting, even though it's yellow right now, it's getting stripped down, and we're gonna be painting it gloss black. So to me, it's gonna look evil. So it's gonna be pretty cool when we're done. So this is the process you'd have to go through for something like this. As you guys saw, it's a little more tougher, but obviously on a car, you're gonna be a little less, not gonna use the heavier brushes and stuff. You use clay and all that kind of stuff to get all the stuff off the panel. But the main thing to remember is that before you do any kind of either coatings, we're actually going to be painting, you want to strip the surface. So we're going to be going up to Piotter's Auto Body and Spa, where we're going to be using it at their truck shop that they have here for the bigger gas vehicle. So we're going to go up there, get this thing all cleaned up. So get ready.